Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. Firstly, enter Google Pay. As you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment method or add different types of cards. Then, if you tap here, you got access to all your payment methods, participating banks, activity, settings, where you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, see if Google Pay is set as your default, see if you've got your screen lock set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.